Hey guys, I have another fun unboxing video for you. As you know, I absolutely love to go to the sale place out in Balch Springs. I make sure that I go at least once a year to stock up on mum supplies, because in Texas, as soon as we hit August, it is full on get your mum done season. So I went out a little bit early. I went in June, and I was on a mission for ribbon. I wasn't so much looking to make a mum, because my daughter's school that she goes to, you have to order them from one place, and kind of stifles my creativity. So I was going for other supplies. So I'm going to show you what I got, so you can get an idea. And this place is, I'm going to use all these supplies in future projects, so definitely stay tuned so you can see how I use them. And the thing you need to know about the sale place is it's not just mum supplies, they also have baking supplies too. So because I think I was hungry, so I got some baking stuff as well. All right, so on the baking theme, I had not seen these Versa tools, which I thought was kind of genius. So you can measure it, stir it, but I really like the fact that it's a spoon that you can easily pour into it. It seems like I make a huge mess whenever I use a measuring cup for that, so I thought I would give this a shot. So there you go. It's a Wilton product, so I'm sure you can find it online as well, but I was there, so I grabbed it. Another thing I grabbed in that, I mean, this is not very exciting, but I could not find my spatula. This one's silicone. The one I had was not stiff like this one, so I got this as well. Definitely did not need that, but yeah, anyway, cookie tray bags. It seems like whenever the holidays hit, I'm trying to give sweets or cakes, like rum cakes, like a full rum cake. So these are going to be perfect to put it on a little decorative plate and then pull it up with that, put a ribbon on it. Okay, now it looks like we're getting to some mum stuff. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to make, oh wait, one last baking thing, I think. This is some food gel. If you're not using gel for your icing, you're missing out, because this stuff is amazing. And because it's soccer season, I used up all of my green gel for grass. So there you go. Okay, these are a couple of mums. They fluff out really nicely. I'm going to be making a couple of soccer wreaths, so that's what these are for. And hence the cute little soccer cleats to go with it. These were $1.50 for a set of cleats, so this will definitely come in handy. Oh, back to the baking. I needed some more icing bags, so here's a set of 50. Definitely not exciting, just restocking. Okay, I'm a ribbon junkie, so here we go. I stocked up for ribbon for the year, I think. I got some soccer ribbon, say hi to my Frenchie who's barking. I got a whole bunch of satin ribbon. So this, what I love about it is you can get 100 yards. This one's for $18.25, so that's kind of significant, but I'm going to use the bejeebers out of this with door hangers and a wreath and that kind of thing. So there's those two. Yellow. I'm trying to stick with the colors that I need for the soccer team. So I've got yellow, white. Maybe I can set them up like this so you can kind of see what we got going on. These are not so exciting, but I've got some really cute ones coming. I got blue, black, and this is all mum ribbon and green. So this is all mum ribbon, so it's kind of stiff, but it works really well. So anyway, it's lightweight, and you get so much on the roll, so I won't have to buy ribbon like this for a long time. Okay, are you ready for the last ones? These are so adorable. They also have a ton of holiday ribbon, and so I could not resist. I got, okay, first of all, this one for Christmas, which I just thought was too cute. $7.75 for this. I want to say if you bought this at Michael's, it would be $10 before a promotion, right? And by the time the promotion comes, they sell out. Okay, here's the holiday ribbon. How cute are they? Since I'm in a wreath mood lately, I think I'm definitely going to use these for some door hangers and some wreaths and that kind of stuff. So there you have it. This time I did not go all in on different mum accessories, but I did go all in on ribbon. So if you're into ribbon crafts, stay tuned, because all of this will be like magic into new stuff. So that's it for today. See you guys soon.